You're watching the Weiss channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you solving with fractional exponents. First of all, express each of these in simplest radical form. Okay, 64 to the 1/3 to the second power. That's going to be the same as 64 to the 2/3 power, because 1/3 times 2 is 2/3. So what you do is you take the 3 goes inside the root, and the 2 goes there. So now, what's the third root of 64? That's going to be 4, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So now you have 4 squared. What's 4 squared? 16. Over here, 32 to the 4th to the 1/5 is going to be 32 to the 4/5. 5 goes in the root, and the 4 goes there. So what is the 5th root of 32? 2. And what's 2 to the 4th power? 16. 17 to the 1/2 power is the same as putting a 2 there and the 1 there. But do you need the 2? No, because it's assumed to be a 2 if there's no number there. Do I need the 1? No. Done. Square root of 17 is the same as 17 to the 1/2. 10 to the 2/3 power is the third root of 10 to the second. What's 10 to the second? 100. Done. Third root of 100. 5 to the 3rd to the 1/4 power is 5 to the 3/4 power, or the 4th root of 5 to the 3rd, or the 4th root of 125. 13 to the 3/4 power is, hold on. I made a mistake. First time ever. This is a 4 here. 4 goes here, and 3 goes here. I need a 4 here. Anaya, can I bother you to do 13 times 13 times 13? 4th root of 13 times 13 times 13. 2197. There we go. With a little help from Anaya, thank you. Okay, there you go. 9 to the 1/5 power is the 5th root of 9. Done. And delta math, if you're doing a delta math assignment, you're going to have an nth root button. You'll use that button to enter, say, a 5 if you need to, okay? Over here, 8x to the 9/4 power plus 21 equals 322828877. Wow. Minus 21 from both sides. You get 8x to the 9/4 equals 322828856. Divide by 8, and you have x to the 9/4 equals 40,353,607. So what you're going to do is you're going to take x to the 9/4 to the 4/9, because it'll cancel out the 9s and the 4s. Whatever you do to one side, you got to do to the other. To the 4/9. So take this number on your calculator and just hit that x to the y key and do parentheses, 4 divided by 9, close parentheses. If you don't use parentheses on your phone calculator, it'll mess up for you. It'll just do to the 4th power and then divide it by 9. You don't want that. So use parentheses to the 4/9. 2401 is your answer. 6x to the 5/2 power plus 1 equals 46657. Minus 1 from both sides. 6x to the 5/2 equals 46656. Divide by 6. You get 7776. x to the 5 over 2, you take that to the 2/5 to knock out the 5 over 2. So you take 7776 to the parentheses 2 divided by 5, close parentheses. You get 36. Easy. You've been watching the Weiss channel.